Welcome to Quick Cuts, sponsored by Homatro. I'm Steve White with Advanced Rescue Solutions. In this segment, we're going to talk about different types of hinges and the proper way to attack them with the cutter. Here we have a non-flat bar hinge. So we're going to be able to get the cutters to come in to wrap, grab, pinch, and cut the steel. With the vehicle stabilized, hazards taken care of, and the hinge is exposed, you notice that the cutter blades go on the top and bottom of the hinge. To grab the hinge, crush it, draw it in, and make the cut. On this vehicle, we want to identify the different type of hinge. It is a flat steel hinge, which is going to change how we position our cutters so that we can safely and effectively remove this door. Now that we have the door removed, we want to take this opportunity to better illustrate proper cutter placement. This is the improper placement because we're cutting the bar from top to bottom. This is our proper placement coming in from the side. So you can see the importance of positioning the tool to make a safe and effective cut while protecting the tool. Here we're addressing a non-flat steel hinge, commonly referred to as a box hinge. We've exposed the hinges by removing the fender. The rescuer is able to come in straight with the blades to bring the thinner steel of the box hinge, crushing it together, drawing it in, and making the cut. So with these non-flat steel hinges, again, in review, we just want to show proper tool placement when cutting this box type hinge. That's coming in directly, closing the cutters and allowing the top and the bottom of the box to squeeze, pinch, draw into the tool, and cut. As we bring this segment to a close, we just want to review that we covered the different types of hinges and how they're constructed. Proper placement with flat hinges is very important to safely operate the tool and avoid a catastrophic tool failure. I'm Steve White, and thank you for watching Homatro's Quick Cuts.